Okay, so we're going to do a kangaroo carry with a newborn. I like this one with newborns a lot. So I'm going to start with the middle marker. Start with it bunched up and then just kind of like a U there on the front. Then we're going to cross the straps on our back. Make an X on your back. Bring them around to the front. And tie a knot just there, loosely, to get started. So that's how we're going to start it off. So then we have the panel here. We're going to grab our little one. And we're going to slide them into that little U there. So, slide them down so they're sitting on that there. And then what you're going to do is you're going to flip this bottom rail. You're going to reach through. We're going to flip that. So we're going to pull the bottom part up, pull the top part down. So just pull up enough that you need up till, don't go any higher than the bottom of their ear. And so then we're going to pull that out. So it's going to create a shoulder flip there. The rest of that we're going to leave bunched up at the bottom underneath them. Same thing on the other side here. I'm going to grab that top rail. I'm going to pull that out for our shoulder. And then we're going to start to tighten down. So we'll give them a nice little seat in there. Okay, so once we have them in there, we're going to work out all that slack. So we're going to pull that top part where their head is now going to be the bottom over here. So we're going to grab that part, pull out that slack, and then we're going to work it around our back so we get to the front. And then pull that tight. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So make sure they're nice and supported in there. And pull this top rail tight. So I'm going to grab that. And we're going to pull it down here.
Don't make it let it snaps. Don't want to get snapped.
Around until you find it. All the way around to the front here. And then we're going to retie that. So we'll just pull any of that slack out. So we're going to just pull that around, go all the way through the wrap. So strand by strand, just kind of work it through all the way until you get to that bottom rail. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So we're going to find that top one there and just pull it all the way around until we get out all of that slack. And we're going to go back up here and make sure there's no more. So there's still a little bit. So that's the bottom. So we're going to go over here, find that slack, and pull that around to the front. Okay, so then once we've got all that slack out, make sure there's no extra space between them and you. And they've got that nice little curve. They're back. They're sitting in there. Their airway is clear. Then we're going to just cross the straps over. You can go under their legs. Untie that. And then we're going to make a double knot in the back. So there we have a kangaroo carry with a newborn. If it feels like there's any slack, you can just work that around. So find it here. So that's the top. So it's going to be the top over here. And so then you just pull it around. And you just work it back until you find into the knot. And then you just retighten that knot. So you can untie it and then just pull that slack through. If there's any on the other side, you can do the same thing. There we go.